Every great journey begins with a single step, or in this case, a single line. Hi, and welcome. I'm starting over, learning to become an artist from scratch. My goal? To master my craft by 2025. This journey isn't just about art. It's about proving that with dedication and willpower, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Through practice, patience, and a willingness to grow, I believe I can turn my dream into reality, and I want to inspire you to do the same. Join me as I learn, improve, and create, one line at a time. Together, let's prove that it's never too late to start over. Because every masterpiece begins with a single line. Let's create something amazing together. Subscribe and follow my journey. Let's inspire each other to dream big and achieve more.